Let's make cottage cheese lemon pudding. It's delicious, healthy, and low on calories. It's also very easy to whip together. Grate half a lemon into the mix, but only the yellow parts. The white is bitter in an ugly way. Squeeze the juice out of the lemon half you just grated. Use a sieve if you have one to catch the seeds. An immersion blender is the best tool for this job to get the texture fully smooth. Mix the ingredients a bit before you start to avoid the sweetener from flying around. There we go. You now have a delicious creamy lemon dessert that's low on calories, perfect for cravings. Throw it in the fridge for an hour or two to chill and thicken up a bit before you gobble it up.